Hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Clara. I'm a product designer of Penpot. And as you can see, I'm the light mode of our colleagues. So I'm here to talk about how we call quality of life in Penpot. So I'm trying to explain to you the small things that we make to make your lives easier as Penpot users. So let's start talking about what we meant by quality of life. So these are the small details, the small tricks that make Penpot smoother, faster, and more enjoyable to use, without changing what fundamentally Penpot is. So the things that we do is small tweaks that can remove the friction or simplify the workflows or refining the experience so the design stays effortless, as long as we can help you with that. And we call this polish over bloat. So improving what's already exists in there without adding unnecessary complexity. So the first of all is it's important, as you say, that most of these ideas don't come from us, come from you, from our users. I hope you all are users. And we continuously collect feedback and small frustrations. And we see systems that we identify the ones that can have the biggest impact in the use of Penpot and with the smallest changes. So this is a user-driven approach that helps us make steady and meaningful progress. And let me show you right now 2 examples that are in development right now. After you can ask Marina, is one of our developers that is working in on those things. So the first one, wow, it's a trash. It's about safety and peace of mind. We have received some user requests from GitHub, from our community, telling us that they sometimes, by mistake, deleted their files and wanted to recover them. So we're adding a trash. Hooray! And it's a simple but powerful safeguard that it keeps deleted files until you want to delete them definitely. So it's a small change, but it builds trust. You can experiment Penpot without fear of losing your work. And the second one focuses on smoother collaboration. Many users ask us for a way to share their files without inviting 2 Penpot teams or needing to change the permission and so on. So we are now looking in these 2 features that are share a file without invite to a team and also share the workspace links. So, hooray! So no login, no setup, no friction, and it's lightweight, practical, and perfectly fits our aim, our goal for making collaboration effortless. So both of these are perfect examples of what quality of life means for us. No? It's a user-driven polish that makes people feels more intuitive and feels trustworthy every day. So they are no big launches. They are no a new render engine or variants of tokens, but bring the product closer to how people actually work with it. Because great tech experiences aren't only built by adding more wink-wink to our competitors' futures. They are also built by refining the things that matter the most and are already there. So what's next? And honestly, this one is easy to answer because it's on you. We can make many of these tweaks quickly because Penpot follows a 6-week release cycle. That means you don't have to wait long to see these new improvements. Every sprint and every release brings a batch of refinements shaped directly from you, from our users. So the next step won't come from us alone, came from you, and from your feedback, from your requests, and your ideas. So we'll keep listening, iterating, and polishing one improvement at a time. And thank you very much.